Hey, good morning. It is Sunday, May 13th. Markets are closed. And this is a tips and tricks. First, I would like you to notice that I've got this on the screen, calculate on bar close equals true or false. Um, you may consider running your strategies on COBC false for several reasons. First, we have been taught to take trades on calculate on bar close equals true. So we're entering on the high of a strategy and leaving a lot of money on the table because of our close. Um, we, for instance, would have had one trade on a 101, would have gotten our 101 off correctly here using a relatively minimal risk amount. Um, but we're leaving so much money on the table when we could be picking up a lot more orders. On COBC false, we can use the low of the bar versus these prior bar opens to launch trades. And we can get a lot more out of that risk and reward and be arming for those next trades, depending upon how many trades you allow yourself to take. Um, in a live trading situation in Blackbird, for instance, um, each time this condition is set on CNBC false, it will attempt to trigger a trade each time the condition sets up. But if you're only authorized to trade, say, 2 contracts because of your margin in your account, you'll get a little warning error sign saying trade could not be completed due to margin. So the trade does not execute. The order would have executed, but the trade would not have gone. So you don't have to worry about this over trading your account to begin with. Um, but if you are allowed to take extra trades, then you can get these extra orders in and be taking the extra profits off of each one of these. So you're changing one or two trades um, up to like this 50 tick run, and you're turning it into like 10 or more trades because each time that you can get these COBCs to come into these prior bars um, opens the lows into the open and conversely the high into the open. So I can show you my members how to set this up in Blackbird, and I'll have a new Keltner template at the end of the month for our webinar with shark indicators, and I'll also have a new logic set set it up for you in Blackbird automatically to trade these um, when the condition sets up, and we'll be trading those in the trade room in advance of that webinar, showing you what it looks like, um, but also on the open house on June 1st. So consider using calculate on bar close false and trade those lows to the prior bars open and trying to get your order execution and split your risk. You may also wonder what bar setting size I have this on. This is an 8-minute. And why I've chosen an 8-minute is because it splits the risk between the range of a 5-minute and a 15-minute chart. So I'm mitigating my risk between that 5-minute, 15-minute range on an 8-minute chart, and then further mitigating that risk by um, requiring a condition to be in place, and then further requiring or narrowing the entry location conducive for maximum profits and most minimal losses. So very good, win, 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 win. We've just been, trained to buy the highs and we're just missing out. So buy low, sell high when your condition is present, and we'll go over the Keltner channel in more detail. For instance, it is a great tool to allow you to see whether a trending condition is in place or not. So, love the counter channel. Love the new trading methodology, COBC false. I think I'm going to be adopting this a lot more in the trade room and not really using anything but COBC false going forward in my trading and buying those lows and highs. Thank you. We'll see you soon. Take care.